8443. In a gear-type hydraulic pump, a mechanical safety device incorporated to protect the pump from overload is the A. Bypass valve, B. Check valve, C. Shear pin. The correct answer is C. In a gear-type hydraulic pump, a mechanical safety device incorporated to protect the pump from overload is the shear pin. The shear pin is a small, cylindrical pin or bolt that is designed to shear or break under excessive load or torque. It is typically located in the pump's drive shaft or coupling. When the pump experiences an overload condition, such as a sudden increase in pressure or excessive resistance, the shear pin is designed to fail and break. By breaking, the shear pin prevents further transmission of excessive torque or force to the pump, protecting it from damage. The shear pin acts as a sacrificial component that can be easily replaced to restore the pump's operation after an overload event. 8444. After installation of a rebuilt hydraulic hand pump, it is found that the handle cannot be moved in the pumping direction, pressure stroke. The most likely cause is an incorrectly installed A. Hand pump import check valve, B. Import/outport orifice check valve, C. Hand pump outport check valve. The correct answer is C. After the installation of a rebuilt hydraulic hand pump, if the handle cannot be moved in the pumping direction, pressure stroke, the most likely cause is an incorrectly installed hand pump outport check valve. The outport check valve is responsible for allowing fluid to flow out of the hand pump during the pressure stroke and preventing backflow during the suction stroke. If the outport check valve is installed incorrectly, it can block the flow of fluid during the pressure stroke, causing the handle to become immovable in that direction. Checking the installation and alignment of the hand pump outport check valve should be the first step in troubleshooting and resolving the issue. 8445. What is the unit used to express pressure? A. Pounds per square inch, B. Pounds per inch, C. Pounds per cubic inch. The correct answer is A. The unit used to express pressure is pounds per square inch, psi. Pressure is defined as force per unit area, and psi is a commonly used unit to measure pressure in various industries, including hydraulics. It represents the amount of force exerted on an area of 1 square inch. Other units of pressure include Pascal (PA), bar, atmosphere, ATM, and torr, but pounds per square inch, psi, is a widely used unit, especially in the United States. 8446. If two actuating cylinders with pistons of different stroke lengths, but the same cross-sectional area, are connected to the same source of hydraulic pressure, what will happen? A. Different amounts of force, but will move at the same rate of speed. B. Equal amounts of force, but will move at different rates of speed. C. Equal amounts of force and will move at the same rate of speed. The correct answer is C. If two actuating cylinders with pistons of different stroke lengths, but the same cross-sectional area, are connected to the same source of hydraulic pressure, they will exert equal amounts of force and move at the same rate of speed. The force exerted by a hydraulic cylinder is directly proportional to the cross-sectional area of the piston. Since both cylinders have the same cross-sectional area, the force they exert will be equal. Additionally, when connected to the same hydraulic pressure source, the pressure acting on the pistons will be the same, resulting in equal force generation. As a result, both cylinders will move at the same rate of speed as they receive the same hydraulic pressure and experience the same force. 8447. What is the pressure in the line between the hand pump and the actuator if the hand pump piston is 1 inch in diameter? A 1/2 inch line connects the hand pump to an actuating cylinder 2 inches in diameter, and pressure of 100 psi has been built up in the hydraulic system using a hand pump. A. 100 psi, B. 150 psi, C. 200 psi. The correct answer is A. According to Pascal's law, pressure is transmitted equally in all directions within a fluid in an enclosed system. This means that if a hand pump builds up a pressure of 100 psi, that same pressure will be present throughout the system, regardless of the diameter of the lines or cylinders. Therefore, the pressure of 100 psi will be maintained in both the 1/2-inch diameter line and the 2-inch diameter actuating cylinder. This principle highlights the fundamental concept of hydraulic systems, where pressure is uniformly distributed and allows for the transfer of force and motion within the system.